Security is important. We lock our doors, we protect our computers, but what about our phones and our drones? Technology is changing how we stay safe. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is one of those changes. AI is making our devices smarter. It can even recognize our eyes. Iris recognition is a powerful tool. It uses the unique patterns in our eyes. Each person's iris is different. This makes it very secure. It's like a fingerprint, but for your eye. AI and iris recognition are working together. They are making our world safer and more secure. On-device AI is changing the game. It means the AI lives on your device. It doesn't need to send data to the cloud. This makes it faster and more private. Imagine unlocking your phone just by looking at it. That's the power of on-device AI. On-device AI is used in mobile banking. It can verify your identity. This keeps your money safe. It's also used in businesses. Employees can access secure areas with just a glance. This is the future of security. Iris recognition isn't just for phones, it's being used in drones too. Drones are flying robots. They can be used for many things. The military uses them for surveillance. They need to be secure. Iris recognition can help. Drones can deliver medical supplies. They can reach remote areas. Iris recognition ensures only authorized personnel receive the supplies. Private companies use drones for deliveries too. Iris recognition can prevent theft and ensure packages reach the right person. The future of security is bright. AI and iris recognition are leading the way. These technologies will continue to evolve. They will become even more accurate and secure. Imagine a world with less fraud and identity theft. Imagine a world where drones deliver life-saving medicine safely and securely. This is the potential of AI and iris recognition. These technologies are not just about protecting our devices, they are about protecting our future.